In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create custom grids using the GridFlow Figma plugin. If you haven't yet, I recommend watching Getting Started with GridFlow to get more familiar with the plugin. Let's start with creating a custom grid. It's super easy. First, make sure you have the Grid tab selected. Then, select the objects you want to place in a grid. With the object selected, enter the number of columns, rows, and gap sizing you want. When those are set, just click Apply. At this point, I recommend resizing your grid frame to the size you intend to use. This ensures you're reviewing the intended final state, as different sizes produce different results. Once your container size is set, you can continue editing the custom grid settings as much as you like. To remix your layout, just click the Apply button until the objects are arranged in the order you prefer. When you're done, just click the Flatten button to consolidate everything into one clean frame. A couple of notes before I go. You might have noticed that GridFlow hides images or shows placeholder images depending on the grid settings you choose. This is because GridFlow uses the number of objects you have selected to build the grid. If you have more objects than the grid allows, you'll see a message in the Layers panel showing you the items that didn't fit. To unhide these objects, simply add more columns or rows until they appear in your grid again. If you don't have enough objects to fill the grid, you'll see a solid grey placeholder showing you the unfilled areas of the grid. These areas will automatically be removed when you flatten the grid. If you prefer to fill the grid evenly, make adjustments to your columns and rows until you no longer see any placeholder images. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to see what you make with it.